Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'd like to thank Smart Devil for sponsoring this quick installation screen protector. First of all, I'm very thankful and grateful for sending me this product, and I really like it, and I'd like to introduce this to my audience. If you're not sure where to buy the Smart Devil screen protector, please check the link down in the description below. It will direct you to Amazon where you can buy this screen protector. They have all different versions from iPhone older generation all the way to the newest generation, which is the iPhone 16 Pro. All right, so here I have the iPhone 16 Pro. As you can see that the phone is brand new right off the box. Of course, the first thing I like to do is to install screen protector. You want to protect the phone from any scratches or any things like that. So first thing I'll be using would be this film installation kit. You need to peel off the wrapper. In the package itself, it comes with 3 items. First of all is the cleaning wipes. Second, the fiber cloth. The third is the dusting sticker. First I like to do is to go ahead and get the cleaning wipes to wipe off any dust or any dirt on the screen. Go ahead and wipe it just like that. Once you're done wiping the phone, get the fiber cloth. You want to go ahead and give it a dry clean on the screen so that there's no any dust or any dirt or any fingerprint oil on the screen. Next is to get the dusting sticker. Have it on a standby if you see any dust. So pick up the phone, have the light shine onto the screen. Take a look at it. If you see any dust that is still on the phone, like here I do see one of them, I'll be using this sticker pad to remove things that is still there. All right, everything looks clean at this point. The next step is to have this bracket. So one thing good about this Smart Devil is that it comes with a bracket. In this bracket, it helps you to avoid having a bubble, avoid having dust, and avoid having misaligned the screen protector. So with this bracket here, it definitely helps you with all 3 things. So while I'm holding it down, pressing it firm, I'm going to pull the tab here at the very bottom. So this tab here allows you to pull to remove that screen protector film. While you're holding it down, it recommends to have like maybe 10 or 20 seconds for the screen protector to glue itself onto the phone. Okay, so as you can see that the thing is working its way down. It's trying to glue itself onto your brand new iPhone 16. So here it allows you to avoid any of the air bubble. Any of the dust may come into contact with this phone. So I like to go ahead and let the phone sit for a little bit while holding it down, pressing it down. Give it a clean press on each of the corners, so that the thing would just sit properly at the end and without any issue. Okay, once you have it pressed in firmly and everything is good, now you just have to push and lift the phone up just like that. Okay, at this point here you can see that the alignment on the screen is perfectly fine, and then you would have the phone without any of the air bubble. All right, thanks for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye now.